Bird migration is one of nature's most awe-inspiring spectacles. From crossing continents to braving harsh climates, migratory birds remind us of the resilience and beauty of the natural world. Let's uncover 10 fascinating facts about these remarkable travelers and why they need our attention. Migratory birds embark on incredible journeys, spanning hundreds or even thousands of kilometers. Their motivation? To find ideal habitats for feeding, breeding, and raising their young. While many follow the classic north to south routes, others take less conventional paths in search of better conditions. Did you know there's a day dedicated to celebrating migratory birds? Actually, there are two. World Migratory Bird Day is observed on the second Saturdays of May and October. These dates reflect the migratory cycles of many species. However, climate change is increasingly disrupting these patterns, forcing birds to adapt in unprecedented ways. This year's theme for World Migratory Bird Day is water-sustaining bird life. Aquatic habitats like rivers, lakes, and wetlands are lifelines for migratory birds, providing critical resting and breeding grounds during their arduous journeys. Migration is no easy feat. Birds burn massive amounts of energy, often increasing their heart rates by up to 400%. Their body temperatures can soar to 44.4 degrees Celsius, requiring them to store substantial fat reserves to survive. Without safe landing spots, these journeys can become perilous. Birds rely on well-established migration routes known as flyways. For instance, the East Atlantic Flyway stretches from Russia and Canada to southern Africa. These routes are guided by landmarks like mountains and coastlines, though some species cross vast deserts and open seas. How do birds find their way? Their navigation skills are truly extraordinary. They use the sun, stars, and even geomagnetic fields to guide them. Some species can detect polarized light, allowing them to navigate with remarkable precision, even at night. Migratory birds are not just travelers. They're crucial to ecosystems. They help control pests, pollinate plants, and even protect crops. Their presence supports biodiversity and keeps our natural environments healthy. Alarmingly, 1 in 8 bird species is at risk of extinction. Out of the approximately 11,000 bird species worldwide, about 2,000 are migratory. In regions like the European Union, nearly 40% of bird species face poor conservation status, while over 25% in the UK are under significant threat. Migratory water birds are particularly vulnerable. Wetland degradation caused by human activity, pollution, and climate change poses severe risks. Plastic pollution and habitat loss further endanger these species, making conservation efforts more urgent than ever. Protecting migratory birds requires international collaboration. Since their journeys span multiple countries, only coordinated global efforts can address the threats they face. Agreements like the Ramsar Convention and the Bonn Convention play critical roles in safeguarding their futures. Migratory birds, the remarkable travelers of our skies, highlight the interconnectedness of life on Earth. By preserving their habitats and ensuring their safe passage, we contribute to a healthier, more biodiverse planet. Together, let's protect these incredible creatures and the ecosystems they call home.